Let me see. Open it, Alma.
Here are my stamps where
Okay.
I've been to.
Your Mexican passport. This is nice. Okay.
Wait, I have to do something.
What places did you been?
What?
What places?
I've been
To?
Where have you been? Have you been to Mexico City?
Mexico and Kenya.
Okay. Oh,
Here are my
nice.
stamps.
Yeah.
Now for questions.
Oh, you went to.
Okay.
Did you know that Mexican's coffee is very strong? So they put a lot of sugar in it. Can you name 10 foods Mexicans eat?
Tortilla.
One more. Fruits.
Beans.
Beans.
Yeah. They like rice. Yeah. What else? I don't know.
Avocados.
Okay. Guacamole. Yeah. Okay.
Can give you some ideas.
Really good.
Hot chocolate. Coffee.